What's up guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a battery test comparison from iPhone 10 all the way to iPhone 12. All of these devices you see here, we're running iOS 14.1. That is the latest software right now for these devices as of the filming of this video. And as I mentioned, we're going to go over a time lapse that show us which device lasted the longest with a few tasks. Now, before we continue, of course, all settings were completely identical for this test. The brightness was up to 70%. I did ask Siri to turn the brightness up to 70% on all iPhones to have it exactly at 70%. I did not use low power mode or dark mode, so I just went with the standard. And I did watch video for 2 hours on all devices and listen to music for about 2 to 3 hours on all devices. And you'll see this at the time lapse. Every task was identical and every setting was identical. Now, one thing I always get, the one question I always get is, what is the battery health for these devices? Because that could have an impact, right? Well, all of these devices from iPhone 10 to iPhone 12 have a 90 to 100% battery health. Obviously, the new iPhone 12 has 100, but overall, the battery health is relatively well. So there's hardly any impact here in regards to battery health. So let's go ahead and take a look at the time lapse. Now, from left to right, iPhone 10, 10s, 11, and of course the iPhone 12. The first device to actually die on this test was the iPhone 11, coming in at 8 hours of on-screen time. Then followed by the iPhone 10s with 8 hours and 30 minutes of on-screen time. Then the iPhone 10, which was surprising to me, the iPhone 10 lasted 9 hours. And the new iPhone 12, with no surprise here, 9 hours and 20 minutes of on-screen time, definitely the winner for this test. And now, the iPhone 10 performed extremely well, this device, in comparison to the latest iPhone 12. And the iPhone 12 actually beat the iPhone 11, even though the iPhone 12 battery is slightly smaller, believe it or not. And it did actually perform better. The optimization definitely here with the latest 14.1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These videos take hours to film with the time lapse and all that. Thank you for watching. If you have a device that you would like for me to test, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to follow up with additional videos and battery tests, performance tests, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.